Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to create 3D characters and add them as a profile picture of your contacts on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to lead to this phone application and click on Contacts. As a next step, you need to choose a contact that you want to create the character for. I will choose myself, for example. Here, we would need to click on Edit and then on our profile picture. Here, we would need to choose AR emoji, and if you have created some emojis before, you'll be able to see them. But if not, this is the screen that you are going to see. If we will click on this arrow, we would need to create our character manually. If we will click on Create Emoji with Camera or from Image, it will do a similar character to your photo from the camera or from already taken picture. So let's take an image so it won't take long. I will choose this image, click Done, and then select gender, female, man, and non-binary. We are choosing female and clicking Next. Here, the emoji has been created. That was so fast. Here you would be able to change the hairstyle, hair color, add a mustache, choose a face shape and the color of skin. And you can find a lot of tabs in which you can personalize your character. Then you can also add a new clothes for the character by clicking on this button Style. Here, you can choose any outfit that you like. It doesn't matter. After you are done, click this button Save. And as a next step, we would need to choose an emoji for our character. For example, this one or one of these that you can find right here. And you can also create your own emoji. But you would need to point the camera on yourself and, for example, smile with one eye closed, as you like, because this emoji will copy your emotions from your face. So I will select this one and then click Save. And one more time. And now this 3D character, which is similar to myself, is on my profile picture. Isn't that a cool feature? And that's it. You can create a lot of characters and add them on all of your contacts. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.